So welcome back to the series of videos, and let's start by pressing the play button. I'm just going to show you a problem. So it's not really a problem, it's like a little pretty snappy anyway. So we are snapping to the next position, camera holder aiming and camera holder. So we're gonna duplicate camera holder and rename it to camera holder not aiming. Yeah. Then we can just save the project and back into the script. In the camera region, we are going to copy the serialized field private transform camera holder and paste it below and call it camera holder not aiming. After that, you can select the player object and just drag the camera holder not aiming into the camera holder not aiming slot. Now we can close this region and open our player camera region. So we're going to start by deleting this, so delete, and this one we're going to do command X, so command X or control X. So now just do command V or control V below. After that, inside the if is aiming, we'll write another if camera holder dot position is not equals camera holder aiming dot position. So if that is what the case is, so if we are not at the position yet, then we can do camera holder dot position equals vector3 dot lerp, and we're going to lerp from the camera holder dot position to our camera holder aiming dot position, and after that we'll give it a 0.1 f speed, so 0.1 the lerping speed. So after that, underneath we can write camera holder dot rotation equals quaternion dot. Now usually people use slurp, but I think it's better to use lerp here, so I'm going to lerp from the camera holder dot rotation to our camera holder aiming dot rotation at the same 0.1 lerping speed. Now just read an else, and inside that we'll do camera holder dot position equals camera holder aiming dot position, and camera holder dot rotation equals quaternion again. To copy that one and just paste it down here. It's the same for that one. So what we do here is copy that and paste it, and just change them all to camera holder not aiming. So while I do that, let me just explain a bit of the code. So if you see, we lerp it to our camera holder aiming, and we are aiming. The reason is to get a smooth change, and after we have reached that position we stop lerping. So that's all we do. And for the rotation we continuously lerp. It just gives us a better smooth rotation. So yes, now you can see I just modified it and made it all camera not aiming below. Now we can go back into the editor after it's reloaded the scripts, and now if we hit the play button, we have a nice jumpy action which looks a little better instead of that snapping. And here we can change the clipping planes, because when I was aiming I had that funny effect. 0.01. Now you can do command S or control S and just save the project. And I'm just going to reset camera holder's position and put it at a Y of 0.5 and Z of 0.5 as well, and save again. And now I can hit the play button again. Nice and smooth transitions. And what you can see, the rotations become even more smooth than before. because we're looping it continuously. And see, I can reload, and there is a problem. So if I keep on pressing R while reloading, it just continuously allows me to do so. I'm just gonna fix that. So to fix it, let's just save the project first and just add the really small line. So inside the handle reloading function, inside the if input.player.reload triggered, we're just gonna add an extra statement, and that's gonna be is reloading equals false. So if it is, it has to be false, otherwise we can't. So now you can see if I shoot once, let me just check our camera again, and if I shoot, I have some fun with that, and I reload, I'm just literally completely pressing that button multiple times. It's not letting me reload. Pressing it like it's just not gonna let me reload anymore. So once, and that's it. After I lose bullets, then. And of course our controller is really good. Shoot and do whatever I would like, and after I'm out of ammo I can do nothing. So that's really it for this video, and thanks for watching as the series part 21 ends. And just save your project.